get it up because I don't want people to second.
Hold on. It's coming right now. I'm just getting myself ready to go ride the bike. I gotta get, motivated, get my stretch in, and then I'm gonna go ride the bike. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, daylight savings time.
Where that damn compass at?
Make sure you stretch before you ride. You do not want to get cramped up.
Just stay with me.
Just stay with me. Move this stuff out the way. Ooh.
There you go.
Right gonna be riding the bike, holding the handlebar. Stretch.
Okay. That's what I want. Let me drop it on in and let me go to work. Got something special for y'all.
Make sure you bring your whistle.
Got something special for y'all. Let me drop this in.
Bring your whistle. Have your ID. Bring your ID. You might get pulled over, whatever. And then have your, also, what you need when you ride the bike, you have your ID, you have your vaccine card, ID card, vaccine card, and you have your, you stretched out and everything, and you have to have some change. Have some change in case you need to pull over, use the restroom.
Here you go. Let me get this. I got to show y'all. So
and have your headphones on. Block out all of the noise. Not all of it, but you blocking out. You using your eyes.
There we go.
So headphones, go headphones.
Let's get back to it.
Get back to it. Get back to it.
Here we go. Now, as you can see, this one don't even have the one that got the point. But the thing is, you got one end with the pencil and one where you got the point. You put that down and you spin it. You circumscribe your circumference of reality. But you got to have a point of origin where you put the compass down. The other end with the pencil is going to circumscribe your reality. Circumscribe your circumference of reality. So if your point of origin
get ready to go ride. Get psyched up and then you get ready. So you guys have a nice day.